everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic accessory that's been making waves, especially for those who cherish their Apple AirPods first or second generation. We're talking about the clear AirPod case, specifically the one that comes in a lovely pink shade, designed with women in mind, and packed with some incredibly thoughtful features. Right off the bat, what truly stands out about this case is its crystal clear design. It allows the original beauty of your AirPods charging case to shine through, which is a huge plus for anyone who appreciates the sleek Apple aesthetic. But it's not just about looks. This case offers robust protection without hiding the iconic design. The pink tint adds a subtle, feminine touch, making it a stylish statement piece that complements various personal styles. It's not an overpowering pink, but rather a soft, elegant hue that really elevates the overall appearance of your AirPods. One of the most impressive features, and frankly, a game-changer for many, is the secure lock mechanism. How many times have you worried about your AirPods case accidentally flipping open in your bag, potentially spilling your precious earbuds? This case completely eliminates that concern. It features a sturdy, reliable lock that keeps your AirPods securely nestled inside, providing immense peace of mind whether you're commuting, traveling, or just tossing them into a purse. This level of security is something often overlooked in other cases, and its inclusion here is a testament to thoughtful design. Beyond protection, this clear AirPod case also comes with a very practical cleaner kit. This is such a smart addition. We all know how easily AirPods can accumulate dust and earwax, affecting both their appearance and sound quality. Having a dedicated cleaner kit, integrated or bundled, with the case means you can keep your AirPods pristine and performing their best, extending their lifespan and ensuring a hygienic listening experience. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in daily use. And let's not forget the silicone wrist strap. This isn't just a decorative element, it's incredibly functional. The strap provides an easy and secure way to carry your AirPods, whether you're attaching them to a bag, a belt loop, or simply wearing them around your wrist. It significantly reduces the risk of dropping or misplacing your case, which is a common worry for many users. The silicone material feels comfortable and durable, ensuring it can withstand daily wear and tear. In essence, this clear AirPod case for the first and second generation AirPods is more than just a protective shell. It's a comprehensive solution that combines style, security, and utility. It caters specifically to those who want to protect their investment while adding a touch of personal flair. The clear design, the elegant pink color, the robust secure lock, the handy cleaner kit, and the convenient wrist strap all work together to create an exceptional user experience. It truly stands out as a top-tier option for anyone looking to upgrade their AirPods protection and style.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.